Welcome to another episode of our engine build playlist. As we were getting closer to the end of this build, it was time to install the pulley. I opted for a sand seal pulley from CB Performance, which has the stock diameter and timing marks. Before getting into the pulley, we had to remove the oil pump cover to be able to install a 45-degree oil hose fitting. I wish I had realized that this would be my last opportunity to swap the oil pump studs for the longer bolts that came in the kit, but I made this mistake for the second time. I also later discovered that these 45-degree fittings are useless, which I will explain in more detail in a later video. Next, we installed the pulley tin that I had previously dented with a hammer to fit the oil return fitting. We used the medium strength blue Loctite on the two center screws because once the pulley is installed, they can't be reached, so I don't want them to come loose. Then we installed the spacers that were provided with the pulley kit, put some Permatex 3H on the sealing surface of the sand seal, and gently tapped it in with a rubber mallet. The next step according to the instructions is to lubricate the inside surface of the sand seal and the outside surface of the pulley, which we did with white all-purpose grease. Finally, the pulley is installed by tapping with a rubber mallet and torqued to no less than 30 foot-pounds.